Before you install, make sure the device package is in good condition and that all assembly parts are included. Make sure all equipment is powered off. Use your supplied mounting template as a guide to drill the screw holes on the surface where you want to install your camera. Route the camera cables through the mounting base and the side opening. For a cement wall, insert the expansion screws into the screw holes according to the drill template. Secure the camera to the ceiling or wall with the supplied screws. In this video, we will refer the Power over Ethernet cable to PoE cable. Connect this to the camera. Adjust your camera accordingly for optimum view angle of the areas you want to protect. Connect the camera's PoE cable into the NVR's PoE network connector. Connect the monitor and NVR with the HDMI cables. If you want to operate the system with the local menu, the NVR also supports VGA output, but is not included with your 4K Ultra HD kit. Connect the NVR to the router with the blue network cable via the network port. Connect the NVR to the power socket with the power cable. Turn the power switch on the rear panel to start the NVR. Connect the mouse to the NVR via USB port. Startup may take a few minutes and will be ready when images appear on display.